Divide 421 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 2 means 4. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down these 2 and remove this 0. So 2 times 1 means 2. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down this 1 and remove this 0. So 2 times 0 means 0. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number beside. So we put here decimal so that we take 0. So now it is 10 and 2 times 5 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 421 divided by 2 is 210 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.